Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Parakeet AI in MacBook step by step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your MacBook and go to the Parakeet AI website. Once the website loads, log into your account and click on the dashboard option. After clicking, you will arrive at the Parakeet AI dashboard. This is where you can create sessions, manage your account, and access all of Parakeet AI's features. Now look toward the left side of the dashboard and find the download option. Click on it to continue. Once you open the download section, you will see different versions of the application available for various operating systems. Here, you will find two main options, Windows and Mac. Since we are installing it on a MacBook, simply click on the Mac option. The download will begin automatically and the installation file will be saved to your device. Wait for the download to finish. Once completed, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen installation instructions. After the installation process is complete, launch the Parakeet AI desktop app from your Applications folder or Launchpad. Sign in with your account if prompted and you'll be ready to start using Parakeet AI directly on your MacBook. And that's it. You have successfully installed Parakeet AI on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.